The country is beautiful, the city is fantastic, having the mountains and the weather is absolutely outstanding, and the architecture is great as well. But most importantly, the people. They've been very, very friendly and just a lot of fun to be around. They've been perfect. They have been very helpful, able to guide me, able to take me around, able to show me all aspects of the city. And most important for me, I don't speak very much Spanish, so they're also able to converse in English as well, which has been great. Going to the River Rock, that was very nice as well. And then also having the local favorite cabrito was fantastic also. Oh, this is a world-class city. It's 6 million people. It's very, very large. It has a combination of old architecture and modern architecture, museums. I certainly would encourage anybody to come back to Monterrey. It's a wonderful city, and maybe the next time I come back with my family.